Well, fresh into 2019, many have already fallen off the resolution bandwagon or are still struggling to actually get on board. So here to streamline your health goals with meals from Meatless Monday to Finger Food Friday is wellness blogger and mother of two, Dr. Lisa Leslie Williams. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so let's just dive right in. What are we making?
We're diving in. So we're doing themed dinners. We're talking about Meatless Mondays, Wing It Wednesday, and we're talking about Finger Food Fridays. So we're changing it up just a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm going to start here with my Meatless Monday meal. This is a vegan butternut squash bisque. Ooh. So we made it mini. I have this tried and true system that I use for kids to get them to try anything. So we mini it, we sticky it, we skewer it, and then we dip it.
Oh, that's so fun. Yeah, so we're miniing it here.
We're miniing it here with our butternut squash bisque so the kids can have their own little servings here. Oh. And so this is delicious. Of course, it's healthy. It has fiber. It has the beta carotene that's good for their eyes. So it's really good. It's healthy. We're sticking it on a Wednesday. On a Wing It Wednesday. We're sticking it, right?
Sticking it, okay.
Right, so this is the strawberry sticky wings, and it's baked, not fried. We're not using all that butter. I sprayed it with a coconut oil. It's nice and crispy, gets in the oven, and then we're pairing that with some celery sticks, making it so nice and fun for them.
Yes.
Right? So guess what this is? Do you know what this is?
I don't know. It looks like a little
salmon balls.
Salmon balls.
Yes. So I use wild salmon from the can. You can have it in your pantry. Easy meal to make. Get the kids in the kitchen with you. Have them rolling. Have them using their hands and get that tactile response going.
Exactly.
My daughter said, I love anything that gets my hands dirty. So that's what she's doing.
Perfect.
I rolled it in some almond flour crackers, believe it or not. So they're also gluten-free. Have it here with a dip. This is a strawberry pineapple dip that goes right alongside. And this takes us into our Finger Food Fridays, by the way. So this is Finger Food Fridays. And then for dessert, what are we doing? We're doing some fruit skewers here.
Okay.
So these are strawberry, banana, and blueberry. I had these in the freezer. How about this? Grapefruits, scooped it out, made it into a little bowl for the kids. And what you can do here, you can skewer up some of your own. You can eat it fresh, or you can skewer it up have it frozen or skewer it right now.
I love
And then we have some
idea.
banana here.
And this is great for the kids as well.
Great
They're
for the
there,
kids.
They're eating fruits, eating healthier.
Yes, eating them healthier.
Fun.
They won't be bouncing off the walls before bedtime, okay? Because this is the good sugar. So we're going to dip it in a little bit of chocolate syrup, right? We're going to dip it. So that's how we're dipping it now, right?
Okay.
We're going to get some coconut in there, roll it around, and then these are some nice, fresh, cut almonds, actually.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of chocolate on your...
If you want to just go ahead and take a TV bite. How is that for you?
Oh my gosh. So good. This is going to be great for the whole family. We love your stuff and your book, by the way.
My book is called 7 Health Mistakes That Every Mom Makes Every Day. It's a free download. You can get it on thedomesticlifestyles.com for all of our viewers.
Unbelievable. Come on out. We want to bring out all of our other amazing moms who have joined us today on the Motherside. So come on in. You guys think this is going to be perfect for all of your families. We want to thank you for taking time to hang with us here on the Motherside. And we want you to connect with us. I mean, if you have any topics that you want to discuss, comments, questions, all you have to do is connect with us on Facebook and Instagram at the Motherside ABC7. And also make sure to send your magnificent mom nominees as well. So I guess we're done. We're ending today's episode. Thank you all so much. We're going to dig in, we're going to eat, and we'll see you next side right here on the Motherside.